Alright guys, so right now it's like I want to say it's 10 o'clock on the dot. Basically I'm about to show y'all guys something really cool here. So right here what you have is your very own gym. So why go to the gym when you can actually bring the gym to you? It's a nice little bench here. It's a bench set. You got the weights for your chest presses. You can do any kind of weight exercise and a bench press. You gotta have your energy drink. C4 does the job good. And then you have your push-up bars. Basically get a quick workout in besides without having to be at the gym. Alright guys, so we pretty much did biceps already, and now this is time to hit triceps. So we're doing triceps right now. And like y'all see, we're at the truck stop with it, man. Like, you don't need a gym to do a workout, you know? To be honest, you don't even need weights. I have the resistance band, you can use those. You know, it's free weights, like using your body weight as a workout. But since we're trying to gain like mass and trying to rip the muscles so that they can grow back stronger, you know, weights just help that happen a little faster is all.
Come on, look at the camera.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Come on,
7,
look at the camera.
8, 9, 10.
That's the easy one.
Just like saying
Yeah, man.
African Americans.
Yeah, man.
African American is just too big.
Yeah, man.
You have people who.
Alright, what's up, Keep It Slow fam? Just figured I'll check in with y'all and show y'all what happened to me. So you guys saw us have a great workout. We went ahead and made a smoothie just to fill up, and as I pulled off in the truck just shut down and stopped. It turns out that we had to do a regen. So I've seen online where people wasn't really sure what that was, and I figured since it happened to me, it'll be the best time to explain it to you guys. So a regen is basically saying that you gotta park your truck and it kind of has to burn off all the soot that has been building up on the exhaust. So if you guys see like a cloud icon that's on your dashboard, it means you need to just park your truck and do a regen. And this is what I just did, so I'll show you guys right now. Yeah, so here is a image of, like, here's a video of how it looks on the actual dashboard itself. So as you can see, the check engine light is on, like stop engine light is on. A lot of lights are on here. I turned on this hazard light because I'm pretty much out of fuelage, and you know there should be trucks coming up behind me and stuff. So I figured I'll just, you know, get this hazard light on so trucks know, hey, you know, don't come behind me because I'm kind of stuck for now. So here he says diesel particulate filter. That's the you know, that's what we're trying to burn off the soot from. So that says parked regen. That means we're currently doing a regen right now. And like I said, that's that little meter right there telling you how long it can take, and we're barely there. This could take about 30 minutes. I had to just cut off a video because I ran out of space, but as you can see, the lights are off. That's because we're done with it now. Regen is done. It says here that the soot level is okay. All the lights are off, so that means everything's good now. The truck is not loud. It's not, you know, it's fine to just drive off right now. I'm gonna just practice doing the back end. But like I said, I'm at a truck stop, travel, and I'm gonna get some practice in. This is the ride back to Florida. Just drove through Tennessee, South Carolina, North Carolina. No, we drove through Tennessee, South Carolina. Drove through Tennessee, all the mountains and up the hills, down the hills. South Carolina. Drove through Georgia. And now we're still in Georgia right now. Should be in Jacksonville in about the next 2 hours, maybe an hour and a half.
Point a mile ahead, turn right on US 17 South Ocean Highway.
Car hauler. Pretty cool truck right here. Shiny. Chrome on chrome. Made it to the shipper, right?
Yeah, we did.
Yes,
We're alive. We're alive. We're not
Alive and
dead.
well.
We're not dead.
So
And
yeah,
always, as we say, always hydrate.
hydrate. You gotta stay hydrated, guys. Driving the truck and not having water in your system will have you cramped up. Refreshing. So what now? So now we gotta find security, check in,
Yeah, and find out where they want us to drop this load.
where they drop off this load.
They want us to dock it or drop it. It's up to them.
All right, so you heard it from him, guys. We're gonna go ahead and find out from security what to do. Either we're gonna drop it in a yard somewhere, or do we put it in a bay, and then from there we just gotta make sure we document where we put it and the trailer number, and then we just head on out of here, guys. So you guys will see that soon, okay? So we just passed security. Paperwork right here. You put this stuff on here into the Maven. Now it's time to go find where to drop this off.
C009.
So C009 is C right here.
I think it's right here. They're marked on the ground.
Zero zero. It says 009.
C009.
Trying to find C009.
That's 005.
Oh, okay. So up top.
Right there. What you see?
C.
Yeah, so
The first one is 1.
first one is 1?
1, yeah. 2,
Looking for 9.
3, 4, 5, 6. 9's right here.
Something is in 9?
Yeah.
That's what he said. C009. But he said if something is in it, just drop it anyway. So I can just reserve this spot. So take this one. You see me? Not me. I'ma swing it like this.
Hold on. Let me show the people how it's done. I'm gonna show them how you're doing it from the outside.
Oh. Alright. Hold on. Get up. I'm gonna turn and I'm gonna do it from my right side.
So there's a few ways, guys, to back up. I pretty much do the 90 degree, like an alley turn, like an alley dock. What he does is like a kind of an easier way in a sense, because you don't put as much turn in the truck. It's just let's see what he does right here. So he found his spot right here. At this point, he's gonna drive past this spot, and then he's gonna turn the truck to an angle. Let's see real quick. So that's the spot. The spot's right there. That's the spot right here. See the truck. And then just wiggle it in. Remember, so this is a truck, right? When you turn left, the tractor goes left, but the trailer goes right. So the thing about this turn right now, this parking is, normally you see how the wheels are in the back of the truck. Normally that's not how we drive. So in this definition, our tandems are slid all the way back. So it's a little different driving the truck and trying to park the truck. Same thing as always, guys. When you finish, you gotta dock the trailer. Put the landing gear down. Yeah, like both hands. Hold your hands on. Like I was saying before, CRST, man. Some of y'all landing gears need a little maintenance, man. With the same. There we go.
Thousand years later.
So now we have all the hoses that are already unplugged, unhooked, and then the landing gear is in the landing position.
Woo! And they put this sticker on it so they can know that.
Put the sticker on it?
Yeah, they put this is what you get so you can know.
And that's a wrap, guys.
We're gonna ease off. You want to show how to ease off?
Pull out.
Off the stick.
Yeah. So now he has to unhook the trailer from the actual tractor. Well, the tractor from the trailer. Show you guys some underneath. Let me not get under it just in case it falls. We're not going there, brother. We're not going there. We're not going there. Eh? So what you say? Yeah, we're not going there. That's how we move. So I'm gonna show you guys the kingpin right here. So we pretty much took that part from this part right here.
action. We fling bomb to stand them like King Kong. Them the rough one hit them like Panda. Half coming the folk man, send them God top cut. Rifle me walk with a bomber man bring. Make a mini case swing like me, man in swing. But it's my love, I'm in deal with that green. Every week I smell it different, get it like Ron Robin. Post me wanna go new down and I've been. Clap me in the car, make the street light dim. Granny say my band foot, we deliver in a sin. So, if I move my blood clot, I go sink. Them say them bad and never kill a guy. Lift up everything alright. Purpose time I shall apply. War red, I drop in a smarty boy. Rifle way 55, boy daddy and in front them used to carry. Tell them so we Grammy and we love it life. But we kill a couple bike, roll out a murder for wine. Them no see a neatly, my talking 9. Clip back 35, wipe them blood up on my knife. The truth is strong. Running at them place so shell fly like Superman. If man know you new spin, tell them move again.
I touch down in the stew, we get it through, little baby, what's the move? I'm running all the ends up, you can call me Blues Clues.